In this video, I'll show you how to use speech-to-text in ElevenLabs in 2026. Speech-to-text is useful when you want to turn spoken audio into written text. You can use this type of feature for interviews, meetings, podcasts, videos, lectures, and many other projects. First, open ElevenLabs on your computer and log in to your account. Once you are inside the ElevenLabs platform, look for the speech-to-text, transcription, or speech recognition feature. The exact name and location may change depending on the current ElevenLabs interface and your account. Now prepare the audio or video you want to convert into text. Make sure you have permission to use and process the recording, especially if it belongs to another person. Look for the upload option and select your supported audio or video file from your computer. After uploading the file, allow ElevenLabs some time to process it. The processing time can depend on the length of the recording and the current service. Once the transcription is ready, review the generated text carefully. AI transcription can be very useful, but it may occasionally misunderstand words, names, accents, technical terms, or sections where the audio is unclear. If the platform provides language or transcription settings, select the appropriate options for your recording before processing whenever possible. After receiving the transcript, check the beginning, middle, and end of the text carefully.